Is your home safe for you and your family? Not sure? That's where we step in with the best home inspection money can buy. Hi, I'm Josh Niehaus here with the Elite Group Inspection Professionals. Let's walk you through what a premium house inspection looks like and how we can ensure your peace of mind. Who are we? We're California's #1 home inspection company in business since 1984 with more than 65 certified master home inspectors. What sets us apart? We've completed over 500,000 home inspections in the last 33 years, with 20,000 inspections done just last year. Our InterNACHI certified master home inspectors are trained and equipped to check over 1,800 items in your house to ensure you and your family's safety. We also offer a rock-solid 90-day warranty on all of our services. What makes our inspections rock solid? Our inspectors are equipped with the tools which ensure no nook or cranny of your house gets unnoticed. We have sewer cameras that inspect the length of your sewer line and make sure there are no damages, including line breakages, stoppages, or tree root intrusion. Our infrared guns can detect moisture and electrical hotspots as if we were looking inside your walls. Our crawl bots can access places we cannot and give videos and pictures of your foundation. We ensure you're aware of all the health of your foundation and any fixes you need to make before moving in. If we can't get on the top of your roof, our inspectors will simply utilize a drone to view it from all angles. Our thoroughness and customer service is why clients love us. This is why we're the most reviewed home inspection company with over 2,000 5-star reviews on Google, Yelp, and online platforms. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please feel free to call us with any questions that you might have. We look forward to working with you real soon.